Biden could go to prison. And if Bush or Cheney goes to prison for crimes that are being continued right now, illegal aggressive wars and occupations, warrantless spying programs, renditions and tortures, then, you know, even more likely that Obama could go to prison. So we have the announcement from the president and the insistence by the CIA and the announcement by the Attorney General, who openly just takes his orders from the president, that we won't prosecute these people. Which means that excuse is gone for foreign courts that have said over the years we won't prosecute the Bush-Cheney gang because the U.S. might handle it itself. No, it won't. But any excuse for Congress not to act is gone as well. And an argument that, well, there's a prosecutorial investigation underway, well, sure, but it's been strictly limited to almost nobody, and anything else is clearly fair game, and arguably everything is fair game for Congress. And, you know, we're one Congress member, one brave Congress member anywhere, maybe a congressman from Philadelphia, were to put in a bill with just one sentence, like they did on Alberto Gonzales, that said, the House Judiciary Committee shall consider whether Attorney General Alberto Gonzales has committed impeachable offenses. And Congress members were signing on, and they were holding hearings and subpoenaing him, and he quit and left. If one Congress member were to do that now, and just put in the name Jay Bybee instead of Alberto Gonzales, then we have something to work with, something to scare them with. You start seeing a change in attitude at the Justice Department real quick. Or if they were simply to subpoena the guy, they tell him, give us a day when you're not golfing, when you're not misjudging crimes in your court, and we're going to bring you down here. And if you don't show up, we're going to bring you down here and lock you up until you testify to the satisfaction of our committee. Then everything changes. Then Congress exists again. Congress still is far from perfect, still is largely a force for evil rather than good. It still needs to be reformed dramatically to actually represent us. But, you know, we have a chance. We have more of a chance.
One of the first things you said when you started was, if the United States survives, or words to that effect, if the United States survives, this, and this. Should we be looking in terms of hundreds of years, like the Roman Empire slowly went away? Or do you think it's a possibility in my lifetime that I'm going to see the United States go away? And what will it look like?